Good morning from beautiful Oranjestad, Aruba. This is the port we were most excited about going to. It's our first time there, and we are going to explore Eagle Beach. We'll take the bus there, show you how the bus system works, and then we'll do a little stroll around town, pick up some souvenirs, and have a few surprises along the way. So let's have ourselves a day in Aruba. Alright, we made it outside. Yep. Here's Oasis in all her mighty size. We're walking through the port area now. We're gonna get to the bus and get over to Eagle Beach. It's about 10 to 15 minute bus ride. So now we're just trying to find where the bus depot is so we can catch it.
We enjoy the view too. Look
Absolutely.
At this view. Oh, this water. Look at that beauty. I love Oasis.
Yeah. You got an aircraft carrier in here too. Pretty cool.
Look at that helicopter.
I know. Folds it up on the right on the helipad. Luke is up and at it today.
Enjoying this, my boy? Yeah.
Oh.
Good morning.
That's. Oh, there's a couple shops over here. All right.
The sign is over to the left.
All right, so we went out the gift area, took a left because we're gonna go take a picture of the I Love Aruba sign while it's here. You can see Oasis behind these trees. We got Radiance of the Seas on the other side of the port. Yeah, I'd personally say this is a popular sign. Get it out of the way at the beginning of the day.
Looks pretty good now.
Yeah.
To get the bus.
All right, now we're back at the shops area, and we are gonna go find the bus right now. All right, now we're in downtown. It's very close to here. I just don't remember exactly where it is, but we're gonna find it. Oh, this might actually be the bus area right here. Oh, here it is. Okay, I get it now.
Oh, look at the dog.
Yeah. All right, we gotta go this way. To the right. All right, so yeah, you just walk straight out the port, cross the street, and you'll see the buses in the back.
And people are gonna try to sell you a ride. And it's not a bad deal.
Yeah, people are gonna try to sell you rides, so just stick with the bus. All right, so when you go and get your bus pass, you gotta go up to this little blue window over here. Make sure you have exact change. Get change the night before, it'll make your life easier. So if you're going to one place and coming back, the best thing you wanna do is the card.
Yes.
And it's $5 per person, round trip. So it's basically $10 total for the day to go to Eagle Beach and back. We just missed a bus, but they come every 10 minutes, so you're not really waiting long. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
When you're coming here, you're gonna see people trying to grab you on the side to offer you a ride, which is fine. It is a safe area to just catch on a taxi, catch on a ride. But the guy was actually trying to sell us a one-way, was it, for $10? $5 each going, and then $5 each coming back. So we definitely got our money's worth with the bus versus catching on to that ride, even though it was a van.
Came and left right away. Oh, no, never mind. Pretty cool. All right, we made it to Eagle Beach. Beautiful. Look at this water. Look at the views. Very spread out. beautiful day.
It is the stop after Eagle Beach, the Amsterdam stop,
Yes,
and it is amazing.
it is. It's a little less packed further down. Seats do fill up quickly. We got here at what, 9:30, 10 o'clock?
I believe it was closer to 10, yes.
Yeah, we got here about 10 o'clock. We got some seats, but it does fill up quick. Eagle Beach, beautiful. The water is calm. Feels like it's 80. It's like 85 outside. Doesn't get any better than that. Woohoo! Eagle Beach is amazing. It's nice and spread out too. Got some awesome seats right at the front of the beach. Long stretch of beach to walk. Alright, we've been enjoying Eagle Beach, and just one big thing to note, make sure you get the bus stop after Eagle Beach. It's called Amsterdam. As you get back down on this side, it's a lot calmer than where it would have been up the road a little bit. So, yeah, it's a great day. We've spent $10 so far just for the bus round trip. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. That's how you spend a perfect day in Aruba. I just can't get over how calm the water is, especially just being right out in the ocean, and the colors are so bright. It's amazing. We got jet skis and water sports in front of us. You want to do a jet ski today?
Maybe in a couple years when the little one's a little bigger.
Yep. Initial thoughts on Aruba. Wow. This is easily one of the best beaches I've ever been to in my life. And I've been to a few in the Caribbean. In the Bahamas, Mexico, a few other islands. This is killing it, hands down.
I'd have to agree with that. I mean, the last cruise we did, there was some beautiful beaches there, but just in terms of even getting to the beach.
Yeah. Look around at this. This is unbelievable.
It was so easy, which just makes the experience way more enjoyable.
Yep.
I'd come back, 100%.
Oh yeah, for sure. It's great, and it was such an easy trip getting here too with the bus. I mean, how is it possible you can just jump right on a bus and get to an amazing beach like this so easily? Look at this pelican living its best life.
Oh my God! Look at it!
Yeah.
Yeah, like on my hand.
Yay!
Wow! Splash, splash, splash!
We did not take the bus back as our friends from the cruise surprised us, so we took a ride around the island, grabbed some food, and explored the California Lighthouse. nice new tank at the store. Word of advice, don't go to the shops right at the port. Just cross the street and go down the street a little bit. It's too crazy and hectic. You can get some better selection at the other stores. It's been a great day in Aruba. Eagle Beach was amazing. Lighthouse was amazing.
It was all fun.
Back to the ship now.
Sun was great.
Sun was too much. Back to Oasis.